Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. This little platform right here is going to be my next my pigeon pen. I want to build them something a little extra. I got my water hose running over right now, but a little safer, solid floor, because a lot of times the babies in my regular pen, they end up on the ground, and I've noticed ants got to them, but it might have had something to do with the chickens being in there this go around. But I know that ants was covering them, and the last time they had just disappeared. But I do have a cat problem, and I'm sure that's why there's bags stuck underneath there, because if it was close to that edge, they could have been drug out from underneath it. The whole edge of that thing is dug out. Something's been digging underneath it, so I gotta get in there and backfill it with some sand or mud just to keep them little chickens safe. But I want to move the pigeons out here. They're gonna be sitting in this little spot right here. I'm just gonna drag it in there when I get it put together. There should be a few breeding areas. All of them are going in here at first, and as I go, I'm gonna continue adding for each breed. I got rollers, kings, and mordinas, and homing pigeons. So we're gonna get them all in here, a little bit at a time. This is just one part of this video. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get it done. I need to go to the store and get some stuff. All that down there is treated. I might dump some paint on the top of this or something. I don't know yet. I might just put some linoleum or plastic or something. I don't think it'd be really necessary. That piece of wood's been sitting in my yard for years, and it's still in good shape. So, or as good a shape as what I ain't chewed it up. It made a little hole in it, but that's all fixable. But yeah, this is the start of it. I'm gonna film little pieces as I go. Try to make a video of it. This part of my hurricane recovery stuff. I mean, the ducks look good. Turkeys look good. Their cage still needs a lot of repairs, and of course the barn and everybody else's yard scraps blew in here. So I really need to get in here and get this built and start working on other things. It's crazy. Well, I've gotten this far on my new pigeon coop. I'm even gonna have some places up here so they can get out the wind. I might have to cut this a little bit so I can step in easier. I gotta step down to get in, but it ain't too bad from the ground. I still need to do some more supports in here. I want to hang and get the roof on. You know, I ain't get that far yet. Really not costing me that much. I think the floor is about $45, and the walls are $20 a piece. And those $20 filled in this section too. So I add a piece of wood here across. Should be able to do something extra. It's pretty nice. I like how it's coming out. I wish I had level ground to work on, but the whole thing shakes when I try to shake it. So that's what we're looking at right now. It's got a slight tilt from that far side to this end, so the water will come off this end. I don't want it splashing back on the wooded part. That's not treated wood. I have to paint it. And then I gotta chicken wire this part and build me a door still. I'm gonna build whatever, if I can salvage a door. I actually have a door right there I could probably use. Make use of it. Wouldn't be too bad. Just gotta frame it. I might do that. It's gonna look neat. I don't know if I want to put it on the side or on the front. I guess I'll see when I'm going. Not 100% on everything I'm doing. I just know I wanted to build this to get the, because when they have babies, and here in South Louisiana, the babies hit this ground like they do in the pen right there, the ants tend to get to them quickly. If I do something like this, I can treat the outside edge outside of the pen for ants and be able to keep them out of here. And maybe the babies will start coming stronger. That's what I really need. I want them to produce good. I like pigeons. I love listening to them. They sound so cool when they're mating. But yeah, this is second chance I've had to film something on it. Not filming as I go because it's just, between, it looks like it's about to rain every 5 minutes. So, yep. This is the pigeon coop coming together. So, I think I'm going to put some more boards up in here and start hanging nest boxes. I'm going to use those crates. I got 6 of them. I think 6 is all this could really need. I'll put them all on the back wall and then put stances for the birds to sit on the sides. Should be good. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll check you back on the next one. Alright, I got my roof screwed down. It's recycled tin, like the floor's recycled wood. I had to only buy a few pieces. There's holes in it, but a little silicone fix those little plug holes. But it's coming along. Yeah. And if I want, later on, I could add on to the front of this and give a big aviary perk so they can come out and make a wire floor so they can poop and hit the ground. That way I ain't got to totally clean this. At some point I'm probably going to paint or tile it. We'll see if that comes. This is the first time I'm building one like this, so this is way overkill from what I usually do. So, thanks for checking me out. We'll get on to the next part of it and try to make a door. That door is a little more problem than I thought it was going to be. But I'm going to see what I can do with it. It's going to take a little more work than I thought. So, yeah, it happens. Yep, that's it. The roof is on. Still got to put wire up and put a door on. I got to put a door on before I put wire on, see where the door goes. Alright, thanks for checking me out. Alright, not finished. Still needs paint. Got the door on. And it's raining, so we get to go inside and see how much water it gets. But we got the metal on, which I'm going to come out here with a bigger stapler and staple it. Right now it's just using temporary little staples. That's not a big deal. That's easy. Oh. And then it doesn't look like it's too much in here. Except on the back here. I see some water. So I'm going to get on top and fill in those holes. A few holes like that. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Just don't want it wet back here because that's where I'm putting all the nest boxes. Yeah, I need to build them things, put them together so I can hang them up, start moving birds over. Door works. Kind of cool. I don't know if this is going to be see-through. Yeah, maybe. If I get it cleaned up, it's been sitting in the mud for a couple of days. Oh, I got a pig out. Damn it. Yeah, it's a see-through. How'd you get out, girl? Alright, I gotta deal with her. Feed in there and I went inside. The ducks already found it. Get out of the pigeon coop. Come on. Don't go in. Come out. Come on, buddy. You don't need to steal their food. I got my nest boxes up. I'm gonna stuff them with hay, so you know the poo don't fall through when they do their thing. Hopefully these bars will be enough for resting. Should way be more than enough. I put 6 pairs. Wait, 5 pairs in here should work out. Yeah. Pretty nice little setup. Little hello. Yep. Here's my door lock for now. Well, that'll work out. Yeah, should work. Might run a screw in there just to keep it from falling too far down. But that's it. I'm gonna just have to catch some of the birds and put them in here. So I'll finish this up when the birds are in here. All right, this is the final video of the pigeon coop. I just got them all put in there. I got the nest boxes put in. Had to transfer a mama and her babies, not babies, but eggs, into the thing. All the shed needs is a little trim work on the corners and a lot of paint. Clean up the door a bit so I can see in there before I go opening in it. But they're all seem to be happy. They're all on the floor eating. Let me see if I can block the lights here. I want to make 3 of these. And it really doesn't cost that much to make them. I put the mama in the nest box on the right, and I don't see her in there. She might be on the ground feeding. I hope they figure it out. I'll come back every day and see. If not, I'll just pull the eggs and let them start over. I hope they like those boxes. They look like they're going to work out pretty good. Might also put a light in here. I think all of these things need a light. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.